Hi guys, Maramik channel is here. My healthy salted salad. This is the salted eggs, what it look like. I already mixed some in here and I bought it in Philippine store. Salted egg, wrap it up in a red plastic. And there you go guys. I mix for my healthy salted salad grated carrots, tomatoes, olives, and fresh feta cheese, spinach, cucumber, and red onion, and I garnish a fresh cilantro herbs, and that is my salad right there. And my homemade salad dressing, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, ground pepper, and my pistachio ground. So there you go guys, my salted healthy salad is served. Bye guys. Thanks guys.